Hey guys, Fawn here with Ikonart. We've had some questions about using our Ikonart stencils in a screen printing frame. So today I'm going to show you how to mount our stencil into a frame for screen printing. Alright, so what we have today is a Speedball screen with the mesh removed and the cording, an imaged Ikonart stencil, and then this tool is called a spline tool, and that'll help us put the cording back into the frame. So I'm just going to take my Ikonart stencil off of the backing, and it's perfect for this 8x10 Speedball frame. So I'm just going to put it on there, and then you just start putting the cording in. And as you put this in, the screen will sort of self-stretch. So first I'm just going to use my hands. And then you go with this tool and you just kind of push that cording in farther. So I'll just continue going all the way around the frame until my screen is in. Until my stencil is in the screen frame. And once you have the cording all pushed down, you can see the screen is in there tight. So then you would just be able to screen print your shirts. If you have any more questions about adding a Ikonart stencil into a screen printing frame, let us know. Have a great day.